Good afternoon, everyone. This is KMS back here again with another video log. And today's video log is kind of short, but I just wanted to highlight one of our rides we took this summer. During the summer month of July, we took a trip down to Matewan, West Virginia, and we rode through the backwoods of West Virginia. On this particular day, we actually got lucky. We didn't follow any maps. We didn't ask anyone for directions. We just came out of the house, or the Airbnb that is, and we just turned right and followed the road. We got lucky. This is actually day 7 of our trip, and it's probably one of the better days of our trip. We started out first thing in the morning, and curve after curve, switchback after switchback, uphill, down the hill. It just kept getting better. I'm not sure if you can get the full effect of this particular ride, but I was loving every minute of it. A few nights ago, we had a night ride through the mountains. I thought that was a good ride because we hit similar roads at night. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend it. Lastly, that is it for me. I hope you've enjoyed this video, enjoyed the ride. If you have, be sure to like, comment, share, or even subscribe. Until next time, this is KMS. Be safe out there. Peace.